Yo, what's up guys? Look, it's your boy Eli. Today we're going to be doing a review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the 16 Plus. Which one is good for you? Let's deep dive. Alright, so here we have the 16 Plus and the 16 Pro Max. We got the Ultramarine, Submarine, whatever it's called. Unboxing experience is pretty casual and chill. Just have your iPhone here. Some paperwork. They do not have any more Apple stickers, so that was pretty interesting. For the 16 Pro Max, we have this beautiful new desert gold color. Beautiful. Also rocking the Apple Watch Series 10 on the wrist, and you have a USB-C to USB-C charger, which is great. And also again, just the paperwork, all that fun stuff. Okay, now I already have both of these set up because I wanted to just do a little bit of a comparison and tell you guys a little bit about the specs and what's going on with it. So 16 Plus, it's rocking the 6.7 inch screen, just like the previous generation. It does have two cameras that are now vertical instead of diagonal, which is great. Diagonal, whatever it is. On the side here, you have your three buttons. Volume up, volume down, and the action button. And now on the other side, you have what's called a camera button. So once we get the phone on, it looks pretty good. Up to 27 hours of video playback. It has the new Apple Intelligence that is coming out next month in October. Cameras are pretty good. In addition to you rocking a USB-C now, just like the last generation, and all of that good stuff. But the camera button here is a little interesting. It's like a little capacitive, but it is actually a button. If I click on it, it would open up the camera. You can see my beautiful face. It's an interesting experience. So we got this one out of the way. Let's go into the 16 Pro Max. Now this one has gotten a major upgrade with a 6.9 inch screen in diameter instead of the original 6.7. Still rocking that USB-C at the bottom, the two buttons like the other one. Now this camera, both of them have been optimized to about a 48 megapixel camera. With now, when you're using Cinemax, you can do Cinemax slow motion, which I believe is pretty dope. So they have added that to it. Now the question you may be asking is, hey Eli, I have 15 Pro Max. Do you believe it is smart to upgrade and get the 16 Pro Max? And I'm going to be honest with you, no. If you have a 15 Pro Max, you still will be eligible to get the Apple Intelligence that's coming out next month. Now the only thing about it is you won't have the new A18 Pro chip, which gives it a little bit more of a faster experience while switching through apps, while opening apps, while doing all of that fun stuff. I'm also on the beta of iOS 18. So I have that cool little animation where Siri just pops up. Oh, I'm not gonna talk about her right now. So yeah, it has a lot of cool features. I'll post a video closer to the time when it drops. But for the most part, this blue one, I will say it is more aesthetically pleasing just because of the deep colors that has been added to it. Like, look at that camera. Like, bro, you can't tell me that's not crisp and clean, you know? And then this is the new desert color. It's like a rose gold, gold-ish color. Both are pretty stellar, I would say. But I will be rocking the 16 Pro Max as a main driver just because that's what I normally do. And the 16 Plus is just going to be the backup for anything that's going on here. So guys, thanks for watching. This is just a little quick overview. I didn't get too much into the specifics. If you want to see more, or if you want to know more about these two devices, drop a comment down below, or even just let me know. So guys, there you have it. This was just a little bit of an intro video into the new phone. I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview and show you the cool things about these devices. Like I said, the Ultra Submarine Blue Indigo color, whatever you want to call it, it is one of my favorite devices. Like, hello, yeah, copy that. Like, it's really cool. But even the 16 Pro Max, it still has its good tendencies as well. But I would say if you have a 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, I don't think that it is worth getting the new one just yet. So I bought it so you guys don't have to, and I'm gonna tell you guys my personal opinion. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.